Hey, welcome to our new channel Microed Vendriv. We've just kicked off a challenge. How many days it'll take to get monetized on YouTube and start earning, starting with almost no budget. Our little six-wheeled car is gonna be the star of the show. Hit that like button, subscribe, and let me show you how it's all gonna go down. We specifically started the Mad channel to show you one thing. Making money on YouTube is totally doable even without expensive equipment. We're not using any expensive cameras, just a phone, since pretty much everyone has one these days. We're going to make some adjustments to the RC car, then send it to the store to pick up some gifts. After that, we'll randomly give those gifts away to people. We're also doing this to help those in need. And at the same time, we'll see how long it takes to make our first money from this challenge. So we're asking you to subscribe and join us in this experiment. Here's our six-wheel off-roader. Cost us just 45 bucks. We upgraded the car by adding a first-person view camera. We also added a 5-watt transmitter and its receiver for longer range. The whole setup cost us about 65 bucks. Instead of using a third-person camera, we're going to use our smartphone, since it's more convenient and accessible for this project. We also added a capsule for the gifts and connected it to the remote control, so the lid can be opened with the press of a button. We added a QR code to attract offline subscribers and make it easy for them to find our channel. We installed a deflare sound module inside, which cost just $1. We also bought a speaker for $1, installed it in the remote, and now it makes a sound signal. And of course, we replaced the stock remote with a more powerful one, the Radiomaster Pocket, which cost $52, along with a receiver for $6. I'll show all the parts we upgraded in one shot. Feel free to pause the video and check them out. When you add it all up, the entire project ended up costing us somewhere between $180 and $190. Well then, make sure to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, leave a comment, and we're off to record a new video for you. See you soon.